Hook, did you know that a well-designed user experience can increase your conversion rates by up to 400%? Yeah, you heard that right. That's a staggering number, and it just goes to show how important UX design really is. Stick around, because today we're diving into the ultimate guide to UX design for beginners. Introduction. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm super excited to have you join us today. We're going to unpack the world of UX design. So, what is UX design anyway? Well, it stands for User Experience Design, and it's all about improving customer satisfaction and loyalty by enhancing the usability and accessibility of a product. Think about it, every time you use an app or website, there's a whole lot of thought that goes into making sure it's easy for you to navigate and find what you need. That's where UX designers come in. They play a crucial role in creating successful digital products by focusing on user needs and experiences. Whether you're looking to break into this field or just curious about it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of UX design, let's talk about some common misconceptions. A lot of people think that UX design is just about making things look pretty. Sure, aesthetics are a part of it, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. The real challenge lies in understanding user needs. You see, if you don't know who your users are and what they want, you're kinda just shooting in the dark. It's crucial to start with user research, which helps you gather insights about your target audience. You'll want to ask questions like, what problems are they facing? What do they enjoy? What frustrates them? When you get these answers, that's when the magic happens. You can start designing experiences that not only look good but actually meet the needs of your users. Exploration/development. Alright, let's break down the fundamental principles of UX design. First up is user research. This is where you gather information about your users through interviews, surveys, or observation. It's all about getting to know who you're designing for. Next, we have wireframing. This is like creating a blueprint for your design. You sketch out the basic layout of your website or app, which helps you visualize the functionality and structure without getting bogged down by colors and fonts just yet. Then comes prototyping. This is where you bring your wireframes to life. Using tools like Figma or Adobe XD, you can create interactive prototypes that simulate the user experience. This is super helpful for testing ideas before you dive into full-blown development. Speaking of testing, usability testing is next on the list. This is where you observe real users interacting with your prototype. You want to see where they struggle, what confuses them, and what they love. It's like having a sneak peek into their minds. Lastly, we can't forget about iteration. UX design is an ongoing process. Once you gather feedback from testing, you'll want to refine and tweak your designs based on that input. Remember, the goal is to create an experience that users love and find easy to navigate. Climax/key moment. Now, let's take a look at a powerful case study that highlights the impact of effective UX design. One great example is the redesign of the Airbnb platform. Originally, users found it hard to navigate and book accommodations. After conducting thorough user research, the team identified pain points and areas for improvement. They simplified the booking process and made it more intuitive, resulting in a significant increase in bookings and user satisfaction. This redesign didn't just improve the aesthetics, it transformed the entire user experience. By focusing on what users actually wanted and needed, Airbnb was able to create a platform that truly resonated with its audience. That's the power of UX design in action. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap what we've covered today, UX design is way more than just making things visually appealing. It's about understanding your users, conducting research, creating wireframes and prototypes, testing out your designs, and continuously iterating based on feedback. Learning these principles is vital for anyone looking to break into the field of UX design. It's all about creating experiences that delight users and keep them coming back for more. I hope you're feeling inspired to dive deeper into UX design and maybe even try your hand at a project of your own. Call to action, CTA. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts on UX design. What do you find most interesting or confusing about it? Drop your comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tutorials. Also, let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.